Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be watching some of the most viewed detailing videos on YouTube. These videos have millions, so we're going to have a little watch and see if we are as satisfied as I hope we're going to be. So let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this is a video from the Detail Geek, and we all know his stuff is fantastic. He has 3.4 million
Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome to the video.
Like, my car can be messy sometimes, but how do you let it get this bad? Look at it, it's so bad. So pretty much what he is saying is that the car has been left open for a while. I don't know where it all came from, like seriously. I know you said it's been outside, but look at the seats, they're stinking. He's taking everything out. He is literally as well as just taking everything out and just like spraying the whole thing. Okay, so this is the reveal. Like, it's a really, like, good car. It's not like just a little cheap car that's been lying. Look at it. Nice. I love jobs like this. Like, I literally just love when someone brings me something so dirty. He's done a good job, like, but I've seen dirtier. Okay, we've seen dirtier. He's done a good job. We're gonna go find something a bit dirtier.
You guys loud and clear. So ladies and gentlemen, we found an abandoned Acura NSX in the middle of the woods.
Oh my God, this is Honda's icon sitting out here in the middle of Traverse City, Michigan. Who does that? You know how many people's dreams car this is? It's just sitting here. Oh my God, my heart's breaking. Absolutely
my dream car. An NSX is my ultimate goal. That is what I want to achieve sometime. I probably can't afford it, like, but I really love an NSX. It is absolutely my goal. To see one abandoned like this in the middle of wherever this is so heartbreaking. I agree. It is honestly, like, how much money do you have that you can just leave an NSX lying about? Because they're worth so much money at the minute. Unreal. It's just been lying. I think I've seen this on Instagram, to be fair. Oh, look at that. That is devastating. Have you ever left a car sitting outside and ends up with a whole pile of leaves on it? And I have done that in the past with like little cheap cars. Like, I'm talking like proper cheap cars, not an NSX. Ugh. Just give me it. Just give me the car. If you don't want it, if you don't want any of your cars, just hand it to me. I will gratefully take it. I'll even give you a few pound towards it. And when I say a few pound, I mean a few pound. My bank balance is empty after buying all these cars that we have and all these car parts. I'm here. I'll volunteer to give it a good home. You know a detail's bad whenever you have to get the hoover out and hoover the exterior of the car. You know it's bad. Oh no, it's such a sin. Like, I'm literally sitting here like, I'm crying. I'm literally crying inside. I really am. I don't know why you would do this. Look at the carpet. Like, how does it get so bad when there's nobody in it? They have done a good job on it. Look at it. Like, it's so shiny now. Black in any car is just so good if you can get it shiny. Oh, so good. I need my glasses on, people. Stunning. Oh, do you know what? Black is so underrated in these cars. Like, everyone goes for red in an NSX, but black in an NSX is literally just so mean. Unreal. Go watch that whole thing. That's actually really good. Go watch that. Okay, so this is another video by WD Detailing. This video has 15 million views on it. Like I said, everything will be in the description if you want to go and watch the full video. Everywhere. It's so bad. Like, how does it get so moldy? How on earth do you manage to get so much mold in a car? Now they're all getting stood up, so that's a good idea. These are so satisfying. Please tell me that when you're watching things like this, it makes you feel as satisfied as it makes me. I honestly love watching detailing videos. It's not that dirty, really. It's just very moldy, isn't it? Now, I need to know, has anyone actually cleaned anything as moldy as this? Because that would be my dream. Oh, the steering wheel shot. Do you know what? How satisfying is that? Oh, the seat. You're never going to get it all out, I don't think. Not when it's so bad like that. It is honestly the like dirty detail of dreams, isn't it? I know everyone who's watching understands. If you like detail and stuff, you're going to understand what I'm saying. I don't really clean stuff as much as I used to, But when people brought me stuff that was so dirty, I just loved it. I couldn't wait to get stuck into it. I loved dirty detail. The dirtier, the better. What you call her? You girl from Stranger Things. I could watch detailing videos all day long. So let's see how this turns out. Oh, look at that. What a good job. Oh, guys, well done. Like, seriously, when you finish a job and you've done a job like this, there is nothing more satisfying at all. Like, it is honestly the best feeling ever when you've made a car look 10 times better. How long it took them? I don't know. Okay, so it's another video from WD Detailing. It is dirty, isn't it? My goodness, it's really bad. Look at, I thought that, is that a dead mouse or something? I don't know if that is or if that's just dirt. My god, that's so bad. My goodness, it is bad, isn't it? They are saying this person has some mental health issues and they have got some issues with hoarding and stuff. So it's obviously why the car's got so bad. So, you know, we can understand. It's so nice that they are doing it. I think they're doing it just to help this person out. So it is really, really nice. The inside is quite bad, isn't it? It is stinky. Look at the seats. Oh, do you know what? I would absolutely love this. And I know so many of you guys watching this as well would love to do this. Well, this would be my ideal detail. I would just love this. If you've got a car that's like this, bring it to me. I really don't have any interest in cleaning cars that are clean anymore. I just want to do things like this. I want to do disaster details and I want to do things that are really, you know, satisfactory to me. And I've done a lot of things like this for free. I genuinely do love doing stuff like this. My goodness. I don't know how, actually, to be fair, you get that kind of dirt in your car. I don't understand where it comes from. I would dare say they've been there a while trying to vacuum that because that stuff is really, really caked onto the floor. I think this was the wisest thing to do. Take the carpet out and just go at it. All-purpose cleaner or... And do you know what? I feel like it's quite nice when they do these things and they are helping people. They're going to have to go over it a few times to get some of that off. Look at the dirt. My goodness. Look at the dirt. I love doing the wet vacuum, like seeing the dirt coming out. See if you couldn't see the dirt. Oh my goodness, I would be heartbroken. I love seeing all the dirt coming out. It's literally the most satisfying piece of detailing. Look at the carpet. Looks like such a good job. Honestly, that's so nice that they've done that. It's like a new car. You would never have thought by looking at that was the shape it was before they done their job. You genuinely would not have believed that was the same car. I think these people deserve more subscribers. So good. I'm not even subscribed to you, so I'm going to subscribe to them now while I'm here. And on the subscription side of things, if you don't subscribe to me already, why don't you? Nearly 80% of people who watch my videos don't subscribe, so what are you doing? Go and find some bad detailing. Let's go and see if we can get onto TikTok here. So we're going to have a quick little dive into TikTok. So we're going to have a little look at car cleaning hacks and see what comes up.
Ever since I started doing this, my car has never been dirty, and I don't know why I've never seen anyone make a video about this. If you have black interior, you know how dusty your car will get. In my glove compartment, I keep a Swiffer duster, and they're just really flat and compact. So
Okay.
I don't have any space. I've had this for like a year.
Just a duster?
If I'm in
Is that
traffic
it?
Getting gas, or I'm just bored, I'll just dust them.
Seriously, is that the hack? That's a terrible, like, we know how to clean our cars. We know this. What was that? That was a terrible hack. Glue. Are you going to do that? Are you going to put glue in your center console, mix it with baking soda and do all just for that? Like, it wasn't even that dirty, just get a cloth and spray it. What on earth? It's amazing when you go from the top detailers and what they're doing and things they're doing until you go to the people who are like showing you these mental car hacks. Like, it's a bit crazy. I don't think we're doing that, guys. Let's watch this guy. What's he at? I don't believe this. Is this real? I would love to clean that. What is it? My god. How dirty is that? Let's see how it ends up. Wow. That was satisfying. That wasn't really a hack, but that was satisfying. I enjoyed that. Oh my goodness. I'm about to have a heart attack. Not a snow brush. Oh. No. Why? Do these people not think that these are going to scrape their cars? Thank you later. I'm thanking you for nothing. What on earth? Thank you later. For what? For scratching my car and for making my car have swirls and for being terrible ideas. That's horrendous. That's not a good idea. It's not a good idea at all. Don't do that. Just get like, yeah, I don't know, just wipe off your hand or something. We don't need brushes. Oh. We should know this by 2024. We don't need brushes to take things off our cars.
Here's a couple things that would have been real nice to know before I was old as fuck. If you mix white vinegar and coconut oil together, put it on a rag, you can wipe away surface level paint scratches off your car like it's fucking
No, you're wasting your time. You can't magically wipe away a scrape. You can't do it. It's impossible. Just make that cake, girl. Right, go. Let me see. I want to see this happening. Right, now wipe it. Now wipe it. Wipe it off. You can't leave it like that. Wipe it off. Do you see what's there? Do I even need to say anything about this one? Like, seriously. What on earth? Why? Why? Come on. Guys, we don't need to fall for things on TikTok anymore. It's just, it's not cool. If it was as easy as that, do you not think all the detailers who you're watching online are not going to be doing that and making, you know, all these hundreds of pounds? I've seen such idiotic stuff in my life.
Never wash your car in a circular motion, but always in straight line.
A lot of people will tell you that you should use circular motions. I preferably do straight lines, to be fair, but I do know people will argue with you about that you need to do circular motions. It's really, really snowing outside. I need to show you that before you go. Right, watch this last one. Since I'm pregnant with twins, we need a bigger car. Okay, clean it. My goodness, girl, you're in there, like you're in there. I couldn't even get in there. To be fair, you just need a better hoover. That's not gonna do your job for you, but I see where you're going, girl. You're slaying. You're pregnant. Fair dues to you, because like half time I can't be bothered, and like obviously I'm not pregnant. Come on, girl. Fair enough. You've done a good job, like with basic tools and basic stuff. You've really done a good job. Like, I do like that. Alright guys, that was just a little bit of a random one today. It's a snow day. I'm going to go out and show you the snow. If you're here, please consider subscribing. But as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh my god, it is like proper snowing.